Welcome back. Well, spring-like temperatures continue. Maybe we could call them false spring-like temperatures because we're going to get cooler next week. And again, we're not going to see upper 70s, lower 80s consistently from here on out. But what a change 2 weeks make. 2 weeks from today, we're digging out from 13.6 inches of snow in Carencro. I posted the latest snow totals and a big recap of that big blizzard event on my Facebook and Twitter pages. So go ahead and check that out. Right now, though, a very mild pattern. So let's kick it upstairs, take a look at the satellite imagery, and we're pretty much in a relatively zonal flow, high pressure arcing from the Pacific across the Gulf of Mexico. We have this weak little upper level low kind of sandwiched in between another ridge of high pressure, but the ridges of high pressure dominating. And when we have flow like this, it's just going to be warmer than normal. The subtropical jet stream is back here in the west and staying to the north and west of us, and all the weather systems staying off to the north. So our warm pattern and relatively dry conditions continue, although it's going to be damp at night, misty drizzles with some fog, but overall rain chances 10% or less through Saturday, maybe into Sunday as well. Meanwhile, we have winter storm warnings for the west and the northern Rockies, and then winter weather advisories shaping up as energy from this system gradually works its way eastward. Meanwhile, we continue to get a warm, moist flow out of the Gulf, and that's going to continue. Seeing a few spotty showers out there, but activity pretty much dying down. And we did have a few specks on the Doppler radar. We still have that right now. Here's a little bit of an isolated shower. Hey, how you doing? In eastern portions of Acadia Parish, right on the Lafayette-Acadia Parish line, heading toward Doosan, maybe a few sprinkles and a few other sprinkles here and there. I got our radar tuned extra sensitive to pick up on that light shower activity. But again, expect misty drizzles with a dense fog advisory in effect for the I-10 parishes of Acadiana on westward and northward. That's from midnight tonight till 10 a.m. on Wednesday. Expect more of the same in the days ahead. Cloud cover, fog building in. You see our temperatures and dew points right on top of each other first thing in the morning. Then maybe a little bit more in the way of afternoon breaks and a little sunshine. So that could get us to 80 degrees on any given day. And then we cloud up again, fog up again going into Wednesday night, Thursday morning. But Thursday afternoon, much the same. And guess what? We repeat and we do much the same going into Thursday as well. As we extend the forecast, let's bring in the Euro here. We do have a front on the way for Sunday, but it's debatable on how far south it goes. The GFS wants to push it through. The Euro saying, wait a minute, we're going to stall out and produce rain chances. We could see some pretty high rain chances come Tuesday, Wednesday. Nothing potentially severe at this point, but we could get some soaking rains and overall cooler temperatures as we go into the mid to latter part of next week. Overnight tonight, it's the fog factor once again. Visibility's half mile or less. It burns off, then it comes back in. And notice when it burns off as we head into Thursday afternoon, it banks up right along the coast. It stays along the coast. So that will continue to be an issue in the days ahead, especially for anybody that has crew changeover within the first 20 miles of offshore. You're going to have to wait on that. Mid-60s overnight tonight, then for tomorrow, we'll favor mid to upper 70s, 60s again tomorrow night, maybe mid to upper 60s, and pushing 80 degrees on Thursday. If we don't get there Thursday or Friday, we could get there this weekend. 63 is the temperature we'll go with for a low tonight. Dense fog advisory in effect for most. Visibility will be at its lowest as we get closer to daybreak and those winds lighten up to nearly calm. Then tomorrow, pushing the upper 70s to near 80 degrees once again. We got up to 78 or 79 today. We didn't get the official reading from the Weather Service, but very close to that for sure. And we'll be in the same realm as we move forward. The model going for 80 degrees on Thursday, maybe the same Friday, lower 80s into this weekend. Here comes the front with little fanfare, and then perhaps better rain chances developing into next week and cooler temperatures, more representative of what we would expect in February. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a bit.